In this video, we will show you how to add WinZip to index menu in Windows 11. After you installing WinZip application, maybe in some case, you can right click and you never found the WinZips on your index menu. How to add the WinZip, okay, to this index menu on Windows 11? Just open your WinZip and make sure you already installed the WinZip. And I already installed the WinZip here. Then you can just open it. After you open it, go to the settings and please wait here. The WinZip still loading. After your WinZip is open it, you can just click file in here and choose WinZip settings. Okay. Now you need to go to the Explorer menu on the left panel here, and in here you can just tick on the Enable Explorer enhancements and also tick on the Show Add dialog when dropping files on a archive in Explorer. Okay, you can just click OK, and usually your WinZip will appear on your index menu. Okay, you can see here your WinZip is appear. How if on the drive your WinZip is not appear? Okay, maybe usually on your C, for example, your WinZip is not appear. You can also check the configuration. Just open your WinZip. Okay, just click here and choose WinZip settings and make sure on the integration you can tick on the local hard drive on removable disk is also ticked. So on your drive C, D or another, you can see your WinZip on the index. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to showing the WinZip application to index menu in Windows 11. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.